What's up, people? Derek here this morning. Going to see if the Lego My Eggo buttermilk waffle, it was just a love as a kid, or if it's still good in 2025. And also, these are not inexpensive. So, it's cheaper than making them because it's quick and easy. You just got to put it in the toaster or the oven. So we're going to do both. We're going to put one in the toaster, we're going to put one in the oven, and we're going to see which one is better, the toaster or the oven. I can tell you right now, it took my oven about 8 minutes to preheat to 450. So I'm pretty sure it's faster with the toaster. But hey, if you got time to put it in the oven, we're going to see which one's best. Let's go. So we're going in the oven, 450 for 5 minutes. So if you're going to do Eggo in the oven, make sure you got plenty of time in the morning. You're not rushing, and you can put these in the oven. Okay, shockingly, that took 3 minutes and some change for these to pop up. So unless you got a super express toaster, it's not that much difference between the toaster and the oven, well, except for the preheat time. Let's see. Oh, definitely crispy. Oh yeah, and hot, but brown. Looking good out of the toaster. The 5 minute mark is hit, and they're not as crispy as they were coming out of the toaster, so I'm gonna give them another minute in there. So listen, you can hear that? Crispy, toasty. This syrup is great. I mean, I love Mrs. Butterworth too, but this is wonderful. Extra minute out of the oven. Crispy, brown, toaster, oven. Pretty much the same. Go in plain. Oh, can you hear that crunch? Crispy, really, no flavor. Tastes like pancake batter, frozen pancake batter. The oven ones are a little bit crispier than the. Put them in all the little holes. "30 years, and it's still the same." Only thing I would say, if you don't have time, put it in the toaster. It's the same as in the oven. No more crispier. Now that I've done it, everything's the same. So if you got time, put it in the oven. If you don't got time, put it in the toaster, grab it, head out the door. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's go.